Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Thursday, the 4th day of September 2025. Alright, I think I want to start this video by saying that I really want to appreciate everyone who is working for the protection and the salvation of humanity in Nigeria. It's not easy to fight for people in Nigeria at all levels that people are trying to help each other in Nigeria, especially when it comes to security and government operation. I really appreciate that. And I want to use this opportunity to let people understand that what a lot of us have been afraid of right from the beginning, the fear is already here. That thing that you are afraid of, you don't want people to hijack Nigeria, you don't want these people to lead you, you don't want Fulani militia to take over Nigeria. I want to tell you that the hour has come, the time for them to do it is already at hand. Now, there have been so many things going on right from the beginning, 2015 up to 2020, 2022, 2023, 4, and this is 2025, about this insecurity, a lot of revelations and so on and so forth. You are aware of what Terrørists, Babada Tiame said on Chinese television and so on and so forth. Now, I want you to pay attention to what the governor of Zamfara said recently. This is the same man who came to national television, on Chinese television, TVC, and Arise News, saying that Tinubu's defense minister, Matawande, is a part of the terrorists, is a member of the bandits. He made a statement on national television. This man has been trying to expose the cronies, everything that is going on about insecurity in Nigeria, but Nigerians don't care. They don't understand the handwriting on the wall. This is what this man have come out to say again. My phone shows bandits' locations, but I am helpless. Our forces entered Shinkafi to flush out bandits, but we are told to pull back by the federal government, says Zamfara governor. They were told to pull back. Get back, don't fight the bandits. They are on our payroll, according to RFI. They pay them every month. Why? They imported them. If they do not pay them, if they do not stop people from killing them, these bandits may turn against them and they can't pay it. So these people has also allowed their people to come all over from Sahel. They're everywhere in Nigeria. So what we have to do now is to make sure we create an enabling environment where we can put them into the society, let us live with them, and let us hand Nigeria over to them. We will use them to do our biddings, to do election, to do whatever we want to do. As far as they have a place they call their own, if we do not see a place to give them, we will allow them to carry out ethnic cleansing. Let them keep people from the rural villages. Let them occupy these rural villages. Yes, this is a secret that no one is telling you. This is one of the best kept secrets in Nigeria. Some generals know. Some generals, top generals in Nigeria, they know all those things, but they shut them up with oil wells. They shut them up with fuel subsidy before the importation of fuel. Who are the people in charge of fuel subsidy before? These people are getting billions of naira every month, so they sit there not to talk anything. What pains me most is that there is a conspiracy of silence. The world is paying a deaf ear to the atrocities going on in Nigeria. Nobody, no country is interested. America is not interested. China is not interested. Russia is not interested. European Union are not interested. But when the Nigerian government will come out to tell European Union, do this, we'll give you oil, European Union will do it. Any country in the European Union, they are, buyable. You understand? So all these things that is going on made me to also remember what I have been telling you people, that in this world, there is no rule of law. What we have is interest. What we have is interest. There is nothing like rule of law. It does not exist in the world. It is interest. It is because of this interest a country will allow another country to kill people and nobody will say anything about it. Interest. It's because of interest. You see that if there is anybody opposing government from the southeast, it will be very easy for them to call the person terrorist and clap him down. But look at the Lotuji, others who are killing everywhere. Because of the interest they have with them, they are untouchable, even though you will touch them today. Every now and then they are having peace deal with these terrorists. Peace deal. And I have translated what these peace deals are. The peace deal you are hearing is an avenue where they are signing an agreement that the terrorists should continue. Do whatever you want, but don't kill our people. Our people will not kill you. Our security agents will not kill you. But just do what you want to do. Is this the country that people want to continue to live? Absolutely. For me, I think the answer is no. All right, let's understand what this article is from Sahara Reporters. It reads that Zamfara State Governor Dauda Lawal has revealed that he knows the exact location of bandit leaders terrorizing the state, but cannot take a direct action because he lacks control over the security agencies. In a viral video, Lawal lamented that despite having real-time intelligence on the movement of armed groups, the fight against insecurity is hampered because security chiefs in Zamfara takes order only from Abuja. It takes order only from Abuja. So, this is in confirmation to what happened in Benue State, where the soldiers told the local government chairman that, come on, we don't have order in Abuja to fight the bandits, so you better step back. They partially suspended Nigerian constitution. They suspended Nigerian constitution to allow the terrorists to terrorize. Peace deal is contrary to constitution. You make a peace with terrorists while carrying AK-47? It's contrary to the constitution. And after the peace deal, what next? You ask them to go on their own way, doing what they are doing, but they should not kill your people. Where do we get here? If today now we come out to say, let them divide this country. We don't want to live with this kind of people. We don't want to live with people who can import terrorists and have peace with the terrorists, contrary to the constitution. They say you don't know what you are saying. The elders lost their voice long time ago. Our fathers can't do anything again because they are complicit. They have been praising the system. When they see the truth, they will hide the truth. They will not say the truth because maybe they benefited from the country that is killing their younger generations. This is a taboo. This is unacceptable. Now, so the governor said there was a time he wept because of the things he witnessed. For a governor to cry, because of the things he witnessed, you know that it's in the state of it is over. It has crossed the Rubicon, point of no return. Now, he explained that whenever bandits appeared, he could see them and identify their locations. Lawal added that his phone revealed everything, where they came from and where they are hiding. However, he lamented that there was nothing he could do about it. There is nothing he could do about it. The governor disclosed that in less than 2 months, insecurity could be ended if states were given direct control of security agencies. I hope you understand. According to him, he had recruited and mobilized nearly 2,000 sharp shooters, providing them with vehicles and ammunition to confront the bandits. He narrated how security forces under his command were once ordered to retreat while dislodging the bandits in Shinkafi, describing such interference as a major obstacle to peace. Lawal questioned why innocent citizens, especially the poor, struggling to survive, continue to suffer killings, kidnappings, and the disruptions of their livelihood. He expressed readiness to provide schools, water, and hospitals if such were the demand of the bandits to end the bloodshed. So even he himself now is even ready to provide school, provide water, provide everything just for the bandits to stop killing. So everybody now is at the mercy of these people they call the bandits. While admitting that insecurity in Zamfara has reduced compared to previous years, the governor accused unnamed political actors of exploiting the crisis for selfish gains. Lawal urged residents to remain patient, promising that his administration will not relent until peace and stability return to Zamfara. The governor said, "There was a time I wept because I was seeing things. One lie be lie. Anywhere the bandits appear, I could see them and know their locations. My phone could reveal everything. Where they came from and where they were hiding, but there was nothing we could do about it." Have you ever been in this state where you are seeing dangers and you know that you could have the ability to prevent it, but there is a superior order preventing you not to act? So you people that are saying Nigeria should remain like this, you people that are saying Nigeria should continue like this, how will you people explain this nonsense? How will you explain this nonsense going on? How? I just need an explanation to this. Nigeria is not a sovereign state. Their sovereignty have been conceded to the terrorists. Nigeria is no longer a sovereign nation. The article continues, and I really appreciate Dauda Lawal, because this man is very bold. I love him for his courage. At the time he came to the national televisions, and like I said before, pointing fingers to people who are responsible for the insecurity in Zamfara state. Nobody's talking. Please, no matter where you are, I want you to know that you have a voice. We are living in a social media age. You can tweet. Facebook will always ask you what is on your mind. Say what is on your mind. It is only once you will die. The country is not working, insecurity everywhere. Anybody who is still keeping quiet up to this point, you know that you are part of the people. You are complicating the situation based on your silence. Don't remain mute. Don't be silent. This thing is going bad. Now, we are talking about the issue of Zamfara. This thing is not limited to Zamfara state. Okay? This thing we're talking about is not limited to Zamfara state. Other states from across the country is witnessing almost the same thing. In both the southern part, the northeast, west, look at Ogun State. They are crying every day that their farms, they can't enter it. The people they call herdsmen will come and destroy their farms. If you talk, they will fight you. What is all this nonsense? And there is no ray of hope that this could stop maybe one day. Let me know what you think about this. I'm Okochapi myself, a conflict reporter.